Hello, my name is Philippe Cloutier, President and CEO of Cartier Resources. We're listed on the Toronto Venture Exchange with the ticker symbol ECR. This is a brief presentation of the key highlights of our company. After this presentation, you'll be convinced this is an investment opportunity worth considering. I'd like to have the chance to tell you the rest of the story. Like many junior companies, Cartier was beaten up pretty badly over the last few years. It was great to see us go from 6 to 36 cents. Not as fun to see us drift back down. However, we weathered the storm. We worked hard. We continued building value, and we delivered exploration efficiencies. And we believe we can go back up. Let's have a closer look at the value proposition and the key upside elements. We're trading at just under 10% of the full value of our asset, the Chimo Mine project. We've delivered 4 resource estimates, a preliminary economic assessment, and we're in mining country, proximal to infrastructure and qualified workforce. Drilling is underway on our newly acquired gold discoveries. Plus, we have a strong cash position and solid corporate shareholders. So where does the value come from? So here's a timeline of the Chimo Mine milestones with respect to a graph showing the price of gold in US dollars. Chimo Mine produced just under 400,000 ounces of gold at low gold prices. Since acquiring the project, we've delivered 4 resource estimates and a preliminary economic assessment using a long-term gold price of $1,750 US dollars. There's the upside. So the Chimo Mine project is situated east of Val-d'Or and covers an area roughly the size of 2 world-class mining camps. We've delivered resource estimate with 2.3 million ounces of gold, a recent PEA using a long-term gold price of $1,750 US dollars with an NPV of $388 million Canadian and a 21% internal rate of return. Plus, we're in mine-friendly country, proximity to infrastructure and qualified workforce. And our discovery cost of $9 per ounce puts us amongst the lowest discovery costs amongst our peers. So let's have a closer look at the project. Here's the original size of the Chimo Mine versus the significant expansion of the project in 2022. These are the newly acquired discoveries, and now we're going to look at a vertical slice through the project. The top part of the slide is a bird's eye view of the project area. The bottom part is a vertical slice through the mineralized system. Here are the original mine boundaries, and note the significant exploration potential acquired recently, all of which is shallow. We're currently drilling all of these areas to demonstrate the potential to grow at depth and add even more value to the project. So here's the original mine. There are over 50 diamond drill targets shown here in yellow that we'll be drilling throughout 2024 with over 160 diamond drill holes and over 25,000 meters in diamond drilling. Shown here are some of the early results of the program that we launched in January 2024. Let's look at the investment highlights. A positive preliminary economic assessment that can continue to improve as we continue to drill and grow the project, a large land package with significant upside potential that we are currently drilling, and a project that is in a mining-friendly jurisdiction proximal to 2 world-class mining camps. We have a solid shareholder base with Agnico Eagle, O3 Mining, and Quebec sovereign funds that own just under 40%. Market cap of $28 million with $3.8 million in the bank. We're recently traded at 8 cents per share. The net present value of our flagship asset, the Chimo Mine project, divided by the number of shares, pegs us at $1.10 per share. We're trading at 10% of the full asset value. There's the upside. I've only told you a very small part of the Cartier story. I'd like to have an opportunity to tell you the rest of the story. I'm Philippe Cloutier, President and CEO of Cartier Resources. We're listed on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the ticker symbol ECR. I'm also a very large shareholder of the company. You could reach me at 819-856-0512. I look forward to speaking with you.